The do-while loop is a variation of the while loop. A do-while loop will always execute the entire code block once before checking if a condition is met. If the condition is met after the first pass, it will then loop the code block as long as the condition remains true. Let's take a look at an example to illustrate this. On this HTML page, we have a JavaScript function that's executed when a button is clicked. We can see the onClick event in our button element that triggers the function named myFunction. The function in our JavaScript tag starts with defining a variable named I with an initial value of 0. Then we have the syntax for our do-while loop. This loop will start by outputting the value of I and incrementing it by 1. It will continue to loop and increment as long as the value of I is less than 10. We can see this condition defined in our while parameter. Let's click the button to see the result. We can see the loop starts at 0 because that's the initial value of I. The value of I is then incremented. It is incremented until the value of I reaches 9, which is less than 10. Now let's see what would happen if we were to change the initial value of I to 11. We can see that the output is now 11. This is because the loop executed once, but it does not execute again because this condition is no longer met after the first pass.